Lafayette interim city marshal Donald Washington is finishing up his first day on the job. Washington took the oath of office this morning, filling in for Marshal Brian Pope, who's serving a 30-day jail sentence for contempt of court. And as Kendria LaFleur reports, Washington says he's taking his job very seriously.
I am temporary. This position is Brian Pope's position. He's the elected marshal.
Former U.S. Attorney Donald Washington will serve as city marshal for the next 4 weeks. During that time, he says he will oversee the office's administration and operations.
There are simple things that have to be done that only the marshal apparently can do. There's some things that have to be signed and things of that sort. And the court was concerned about that enough to reach out to see if they could find a temporary marshal.
Under state law, the city marshal's office must continue to operate despite the marshal's absence. Now, Washington will work with deputies to ensure the duties of the office are carried out.
You have an organization such as this, it's going to have a number of needs administratively, primarily, making sure that people get paid, as an example. If there are any particular kind of leave request or training issues and things of that sort.
Washington says he is not being paid for this temporary job. However, he says he will perform the work expected of him by the city court and the public.
There were some issues that the judges thought about in much more detail than I. As you know, there are 2 judges in this court, and they are the primary overseers of the court, and they essentially let the marshal know what they expect to be done in terms of protecting the court and carrying out the lawful orders of the court.
In Lafayette, Kendria LaFleur, KATC TV3.
Right now in St. Martin Parish, the Parish Council is voting to confirm Chester